Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be discussing some basic HTML elements that you have to know as a beginner. So the syntax to write an HTML element is you define it by starting with writing the tag name, and then you write the content, and after writing the content you have to close it with a forward slash. So I'm going to be discussing some basic HTML elements in this video. So let's go back to our VS Code and we start writing our HTML by declaring doctype HTML, and we close it. Then we also have to close, we open the head, and then we open the body. So we start by closing the body, then we proceed to closing the head, and then we also close it with HTML like this. Now some basic HTML elements you have to know. So we start with title. So this will be the title of our web page. So I can call it I can say something like welcome to my website. And immediately after opening it and after writing the content, you have to close it with a forward slash. That is very important, and this is the syntax for writing an HTML web page or HTML programming language. Now, so title, we show the title of our web page. So we can use heading 1. Heading is also one of the HTML elements. So we have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, we have heading 2, we have heading 3, we have heading 4, and we also have heading 5. So I'm going to see how it's going to look like. So let's try something like this is heading 1, and immediately after writing this we have to close it, remember. So close it with a forward slash, then we add the syntax. Here this is heading 2, forward slash heading 2, we close it again. Then here this is heading 3, forward slash heading 3. Here this is heading 4. So I'm going to close it, heading 4, and here this is heading heading 4, and this is heading 5. So close it. So let's save our file. I'll try to run our program. So let's see how it's going to look like. As you can see, our program works perfectly. So when you are writing the syntax for the heading 1, heading 2, you can see heading 3, heading 4, heading 5. So with this we can know that heading 1 is bigger than heading 2, heading 2 is bigger than heading 3, heading 3 is bigger than heading 4, heading 4 is bigger than heading 5. So that is the first syntax. Now let's discuss other syntax as well, other HTML elements. Now if I want to bold a text, for instance I want to bold my name is Awoyemi Victor, My name is Awoyemi Victor, and I want to bold this text. The element you are going to use is going to be B. So close it. So in HTML, B means bold, and then you come here and then we are going to close it with a /B. So let's save our file and let's try to run our program again. As you can see, the text automatically bolds because we added the B element. Now let's talk about another syntax. If I want to italize this text, I can come here. I want to italize my name is Awoyemi Victor. So all I have to do is come here and then use this syntax element I. I means italic in HTML, and then I'm going to close it. So let's save our file again and let's try to run our program. As you can see, the file works perfectly and the text was italicized. But now the question here is, when we are writing the code, we actually write the second, this my name is Awoyemi Victor, we wrote it below. But why is it that when we try to display it, everything aligns, everything was written in the same line compared to the text that we bold? The reason is simple. We need to add a break line to tell the compiler to break our code. So not to break our code, but to break the line rather. So the syntax for that, so we can come here and add BR. So in HTML, BR means break the line. Let the next text start in a new line. So let's try to save it and see how it's going to display. As you can see, the new text was written in a new line. So that's another syntax you need to understand. Now if I'm to add my name is Awoyemi Victor and I want to underline this text, how am I going to do that? So we are going to add this syntax U, and then we also close it. So in HTML, U means underline, and then let's save it. But meanwhile, we are going to break it here. So save it once again, and then let's come back here and then reload. As you can see, it underlines this text. Now, so those are some of the basic syntax you need to understand, and we'll still talk about more as we continue with this tutorial. If for instance I want to add a link, I want users to click on one of, maybe when they hover their mouse on this text, I want them to be able to take them to another website. The syntax for that is href equals to, and then come here, we add the text, we have the link, maybe www.google.com, and then we are going to close it. Click here, right click here, and then we'll close it with /A. So ahref equals to, then we insert the link, everything brace in a brace, and then we close it and we close the syntax. So this will tell the compiler to insert the link inside this click here, whatever we write inside here. So let's run our program again and let's see. As you can see, so let's click on it and you see it works perfectly. So these are some of the basic syntax you need to understand as a beginner in writing or in coding with HTML. So we'll still talk about more, but that will be all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I publish new video. See you soon.